Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing what you salvage and why each part matters. First, remove the Keypad phone's battery, screen, and speaker carefully. These are the core power and output components. Next, test the battery voltage and continuity so you don't waste time with dead cells. Once done, lay out your microcontroller, wrist enclosure, connectors, and tools on a clean workspace. Make sure to label wires and take photos. This prevents confusion when reassembling smaller connectors later. You now assemble the core. Connect the salvaged battery through a regulator or boost converter to provide stable voltage for the microcontroller and screen. Solder the display and speaker to breakout boards, adding level shifters where voltage mismatches occur. Once connections are confirmed, flash firmware that handles Bluetooth, timekeeping, and simple UI. This keeps the device responsive. Route flexible wires neatly into the wrist enclosure. Then fix components to prevent stress on solder joints. This reduces failures. You finish by securing the assembly inside the wrist housing, using a soft gasket or epoxy to seal seams while keeping buttons and charging port accessible. Then run end-to-end tests. Charge cycle behavior, Bluetooth pairing, UI responsiveness, and monitor battery drain over an hour. If something fails, don't panic. First inspect solder joints and confirm voltage rails with a multimeter, and then check firmware logs for boot errors. If the battery fails to hold, swap it for a higher capacity cell matched to your regulator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.